Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sell your car in the AutoScout24 app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the AutoScout24 app. On the bottom you can see the menu bar, discover, search, favorites and saved search, and the last one is the selling. Tap on the selling, and here you can choose whatever car you would like to sell, or a bike. Tap on choose the vehicle type, let's say the BMW. The first registration, let's say 2013. Tap on OK. The body color, let's say white. The model, you can select here the model. Let's tap on this one. The fuel type, diesel. The power, the equipment line, the mileage, let's say 20,000. Final price, let's say 6,000. Tap on continue to add on this yellow box, and here you have to add the name, add your name, your address, and your phone number. Tap on save. Tap on save, and here you can see you can complete your ad if you would like to, but your basic ad will go live soon. That's pretty much for this video, so I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.